welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Guys, but yeah, with a little prank phone today. I'm gonna have to whisper because Jason is not home, but he's on his way home, so I'm kind of gonna make it fast. So guys, the idea what I'm gonna do today, when I'm a supporter, send it to me on Instagram. I'm gonna watch it and I say, I love the idea. I'm gonna do the idea here. So I'm gonna put my little twist to it. So I have these. I don't know if you know what I'm gonna do yet. If you guess it, pause the video and comment. But yeah. What I'm gonna do, I don't want to explain too much to you because I'm not going to see it. But what I'm going to do is, I call Jason and him tell me I'm on him way I come home. That not really help me out. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to ask him if he can stop and want shop for me, want shop where they nearby. So there and then, I'm going to know exactly how far him there. So when I reach at the shop, you know, I'm going to call me if he ask me what I want. Then from there, so I can time him. Smarty pants. So that me I gotta do to find out how far him there. And the shop not there too far from we. Hey brain, it's clicking. So if you never guess what me I gonna do, I'm telling you the idea. I gonna apply the lipstick on my lips and then I gonna kiss it. You know? So you get the shape and everything. And then when Jason come home, I gonna greet him, I gonna hug him and just transfer it. I feel so bad. So me need one color. We're gonna show either on his skin or on any color shirt when I have on. I don't want to apply the lipstick yet. What I'm gonna do is call Jason and tell him so when he reach at a specific shop, him to call me. So when he reach, then there and then I'm gonna know say, alright, him the right there, so I can time him from this and put the lipstick in my hand. Alright guys, so Jason reach at the shop. So I know exactly which part Jason right now. So at time for just get into everything. So I think I gonna use, I need to use one color where you know any female would I use. Any run. You know, I don't want it to be like purple or one of them color there because that not gonna look right. So I want one of them color there like, you know, what every female we use. I think this will work. So I could go in it. Okay. I really don't wear makeup. I can apply lipstick. What's up my bride? You guys really want to apply so much? Now you kind of have not a matte feeling, but my feet are wet. Let me see. Guys, this enough. Alright. I have to wipe off the evidence. I hear him driving. I'm going to turn on back the camera and start the prank. Yeah? Babe? Oh.
I was here kind of late. What may I say?
A pump train you play?
Oh no, true. Here something.
No, it connects to the box.
Oh. To my box?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel, you know, my son not made dozed.
You get something?
Yeah, no what. Sister, I never had to go live with you.
I first ever said that and then whatever.
No, stop saying that, babe. I don't care because I'm so coming forward, but you know, it's about things or something.
Tired?
Really?
Hungry?
Bad, but we gotta get something paid.
Not sure.
Just you make it talk, you know, man. I don't know. I really remember how much deal cost me. You know, like, when I go on a date, so. You know?
Yeah. Alright, so we'll do something nice today?
Yeah, but it looks sexy now. I was. Wait. Wait.
Thank you.
You because of dog, I'm making some rich.
So I can never buy something more than you buy. I can never buy something for yourself more than you buy for me.
You come on, be or something. I'll go back on the road fresh out to you, man.
Oh. I'm gonna buy a shirt.
Yes, I'm bringing them everyone.
No, buy a shirt.
Yeah.
What the hell? Where you get lipstick mark?
Babe, why you see a red mark on my shirt and say lipstick? You can't
Babe,
be there.
that's lips. Babe, those are lips. Babe, that is a lip. Let me take a picture.
Babe, this is not no lip, babe. Stop telling
Babe,
me.
that is a lip. Me not stupid.
Yo, you take a picture of me, see.
No, come here, fool. Babe, see the top lip and the bottom lip. See there. That's, see the babe, that's a one kiss.
Babe, that look like say somebody and catch me, babe.
What the heck? No, sir, what on there? What over your neck?
Babe, really?
Babe. Jason, go look in that glass. See there, come in away. What that?
Babe, big woman thing. Me leave it up. Babe,
Jason.
I cannot explain, but babe, me know if you're fox say, I know nobody kiss me, babe. Babe, I know nobody kiss me, babe. Babe, listen to me and say, Angel, I know nobody kiss me, me even know that reach me, babe.
So, oh, you have got them on your shirt and on your neck.
Babe.
Jason, what you left out that house go do?
Babe, not let's make a video.
Jason, what you left, Jason, don't tell me that. What you left out that house go
Let's
do?
make a video and scene for a music video, babe.
Jason, that's a, and what else you do?
That's how I do.
Jason, so why you have lipstick all over you, on your neck and on your shirt?
Babe, I don't even
Go
know.
and look in the glass.
Damn, now I can't believe this.
Oh, what them there?
Which one you say they come in?
On your neck, on the side of your neck. Look, round here. You can't take your foot, you know.
Yeah, babe, this is a message.
You don't want here, no, just where you come from.
Babe, you want me to show you footage on camera, babe?
Me don't want, just where you come from, where you
Babe,
come
I don't
from.
know who touched me, babe.
With their lips.
Babe, somebody not kiss me up, babe.
Just, you look like a person do this. Me not wear lipstick, you know. Me wear lipstick. Cause it could be me. I don't wear lipstick.
Babe, me last.
I don't wear makeup.
Babe, me bamboozle. I don't know who touched me, babe. Babe, I honestly, me.
So you have to see somebody.
Lord.
You have to see somebody else.
Yo, what kind of drama?
I don't wear lipstick. I don't wear eyebrow. I don't wear eyeshadow. So where you come from? Where lipstick come from for your shirt and stop look at me like that? Where lipstick come for your neck?
Baby, come on, no, baby, I try back check on me.
Oh, you try backtrack, so that mean. Oh.
Baby, I try back check to see who touch me, babe, because honestly, nobody no kiss me, babe.
Jesse, you see somebody else?
No.
Jesse, you see somebody else?
Jesus, I love poetry, peace. Peace and sweetness.
Jesse, you see somebody
Babe,
else?
you don't say you can believe me for once.
So where lipstick come from?
Babe, I don't know, babe, me really, babe, I
Jesse, you come in here with lipstick and you tell me
babe,
that.
babe, the reason I'm not overreact right now, babe, I too hungry.
Jesse, you have to interfere out the road?
Babe,
Jesse, you have to interfere out the road?
no.
So why you have on lipstick?
Babe, I don't know where get it from, babe. Where you want me to kill myself? I don't be lost. I don't know where this come from, babe. And then I like to be there.
Where you go, where you go?
I mean, you want to go. I'm in hear music after me I come back. Babe, don't laugh. Babe, I don't even want some music, babe, because you're going to say, my friend are going to lie to me and bag of sit, babe.
I can't trust you.
Alright.
You know, I can't trust you.
Come here.
I don't want you to touch me. Go be it off wherever you go. I don't want you to touch me.
Babe, honestly, babe, nobody no kiss me, you know? Babe, so you really I believe this?
I don't want you to touch me. You're a liar.
Babe, nobody no
You
kiss me.
lie.
Babe, nobody.
So all up on your neck. Even
Babe,
one
babe.
kiss mark so perfect. Or
Babe,
probably
because-
you know what happened? You know what happened? Probably a woman want me to
Me
know.
woman?
Yeah, probably a woman out there want me to know so she left
Babe,
evidence.
I don't, babe. I don't know if I hug the body or what, babe, but me know if
You
you're
don't know if you up the body.
You don't see that,
You
you
will
chance
see
to
an
talk.
elephant brain. You don't know if you up the body, you remember?
But babe, you don't see I set me up.
Me I set you up.
Babe, you
You want to
listen.
wear lipstick?
No.
So where that come from in your house?
Babe,
And then who ever wash them the clothes there? Who ever wash the
Babe.
shirt that when you go up on the road go do whatever, you know?
Babe, this is a marina.
Let me tell you something, Jesse.
Babe, I can't get a chance to talk. What?
It's done. You
Babe,
know
my
what
red
you
man
do.
for me marina.
And on your neck is a kiss mark.
Babe, all you know is see a freaking kiss. As you come here to look for me and see a kiss, babe, I did not
You
kiss
don't see
somebody.
lips. Look, are you blind? Isn't that a lip?
Babe.
That's a top lip and the bottom
No, babe. There's an over freaking reaction I can't tell me about it. Babe, look at that. That look like a bunch. Babe, this look like bunch on my neck. Only thing you have a different color. Babe,
Jason, that's a top lip and a bottom lip.
Babe, I'm hungry all the time.
Jason, that is a top lip and a bottom lip.
This look like bullshit on my freaking neck. This a lipstick, babe.
Jason, me really I take for eat that.
What take you for eat that, babe?
So this a left me in that house go do.
No, look at me can't talk.
Jason, this a left me in that house go do. Me deserve this for you? Me deserve this for you? I don't even want to see you. I don't even want you to touch me.
Yeah, John, me talk to you now, babe.
Alright, what you say?
Babe, nobody never kiss me, babe. Me not to be see this, babe. You know, so me not like out and my skin, the clothes them don't take now, babe. Me never see this, babe. Kill me dead, let's say somebody touch me, babe. But this is not no kiss mark, babe. Babe, you know, say the kiss mark, because I come to you, this a try to find something to picture about. What happen?
So, all lipstick will you try and make you walk? Yeah. No, lipstick walk.
Alright, how do I know that this is lipstick?
Alright, when makeup come from your overall, like if you never go with nobody, we can't take it foolishness. You may tell you? Let me tell you this. Oh, it done. You hear? It done. Okay, you now go do whatever and then come in here to me here. You hear me? I tell you? Clean up your things them properly. No more than you never remember say you did it and you come in here. Yeah. By the way, get up out of settee where you're going to look for woman. I don't want them to set you on the settee. Get up out of settee where you're going to look for woman.
Maybe not going to look for nobody.
Just get up with them, the clothes the way you... Just you go cuddle with girl. Get up out of
Jesus Christ, baby, I listen to yourself.
So how can you come to that your preach pan you? It won't go pan you? Get up out of them, the clothes the way you go cuddle up with woman. And you can't get them in the settee when I put my face?
Babe. You understand, so they don't know how this go on me right now.
Jason, do anything for your cheap
babe, stop assume foolish to me. Me I tell you say I don't know how this is for me, but you cuss and all that left me for nothing at all.
Alright, but let me ask you a question. Me do anything to you go out there go cheap.
Babe, how do you know that this is makeup? As you walk up to me and say, yeah, here, see makeup upon you, babe.
Jason, that's not lip mark, that's lipstick.
Babe, I did not, and nobody no kiss me, babe, and nobody. Look for me, Marina, babe. This is lipstick. Babe, is this lipstick?
Yes.
I wouldn't know. I didn't know that no lipstick was on me, babe.
Yes, is somebody else?
No.
So, how you get that?
I don't know, babe. I don't know if somebody hug me or babe, but me never.
But you said nobody no hug you?
I don't know, babe, because you say about.
Just take up your things and go. Me don't want to see your face. Go where you come from. Go.
What is this?
Just go where you come back from. Go on back where you come from. I'm serious. Go on where you come from. You look happier there.
Oh,
you come in happy and smile and skin off your teeth.
You come in happy because I come in to see me. Even tell you require something I go for lunch. Babe. So why you spoil the day? Why you spoil the day with the insecurity?
And you... Oh wow! And me come in with lipstick.
Even though today will be one wonderful day for me though.
Jason, guess what? Go where you come from. Go and back a sheep.
Maybe not to know where me
go back. Go on.
Where me go?
Where you come from? Where you get lipstick from?
Babe, I don't come from no one place, babe, or whatever, babe. Just relax, so babe. You don't know all this reach for me. You just tell me like you know about it. You know about it? Babe, I don't know, babe. I don't remember everybody hug me up or what, babe.
So if you have lipsticks upon you,
Oh,
if
Jesus.
me go and I care, me can find more evidence. I go search. Anyway, I don't want to overbreak my heart. Keep it.
Want to break your heart, babe? You had it before a red mark on my neck. Babe, I don't know why you come for me, babe. Just believe me. I said, please.
Alright, I believe, because it's a prank. Whoa! Victor screech. I believe, no. I did that.
Oh.
You get to know how I do that. When you watch my video, you will see how I do that. Yeah.
Yo, come think some man mess up for children and you go say the that's joke. Yeah. But baby,
Which woman?
I was kidding though. Come, we can go bathe and go have some food today, babe. Without the stress and bag of prank.
Yes.
Oh, you see what you say yes? No, can you leave me now and shoot back? Alright. You choose violence and I never mean. You choose violence, yeah?
morning pants.
Oh, where you get it from?
Me. Me get it from me.
You get it from
Get
me?
it from within.
From within
Guys, that was a good one.
Okay.
Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your trod the journey with me. Bye guys.